Hey guys, welcome to Tammy's World. Today we're having Jamaican soup for dinner. So this is soup. Look at it, guys. Look, see, I have the nice glass bowl so you can see it. So it's considered Jamaican soup because it has chicken foot. There's a feet missing, but look, I'm gonna bring it close so you can see it. Look at that. That's a chicken foot. Let me see if I have another one. I do. See if this one have all the legs. Nope. Okay. There's some chicken in there as well. I have chicken here. Chicken. And what we call Irish potatoes. The same thing as you, but we just say Irish. We have Irish. What else is in here? I know I have a piece of yam, aka name for my Spanish people. But this is dumpling. It's made out of flour. It's just dough. Dumpling. And see if I can find the yam. Here it is. And piece of yellow yam, aka name. How you doing tonight, guys? I am okay. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's cold out, guys. We had snow this morning, and we're getting a snowstorm tomorrow. So, this is my soup tradition for my cold days. In Jamaica, I know a lot of Americans don't drink soup unless they're sick. In Jamaica, we drink soup just because. As hot as that country is, I guarantee there's soup drink like every day. I didn't get it too hot, guys, because I didn't want to not be able to drink it. Oh, I have some pimento seeds in it as well. My mother, she's like, you got to put some pimento seeds in it. Can you see it? This pimento seed is what they use to crush and add to jerk when they're putting in jerk chicken. It gives it a different type of flavor, but it doesn't taste good by on itself. It's better crushed and in the seasoning. And the pimento wood helps make the jerk chicken. Smoke it anyway. I'm gonna give you a piece of yam, guys. A yam and some chicken. I made the chicken cook a little bit longer so it could be shredded all over in it. Ready? Open wide. Yum. So good, guys. So, before I get into my discussion, I want to change. I made a boo-boo. I remember I said sip and chat is the third Sunday in every month. It is the third Sunday, but it's not the 24th. It's the 16th of March. March has 5 Sundays, so this one's going to be the third Sunday in March, which is the 16th of March at 8 p.m. Please forgive me for the confusion. I always thought that March had four Sundays, but it's not. I'm sorry. So March 16, mark your calendar. March 16 at 8 p.m. is the sip and chat. So we're gonna come. We're going to meet together. I'm going to find out how to do the multi-screen so I could get a few people to come in on the chat with us. And we're just going to chat. We're just going to have a good old time and chat about anything except drama, except YouTube drama. You could ask for advice, personal advice. You could ask for any kind of advice for the kids because they're going to be mature people on there that's been there, done that, you know. So you could ask for advice. You could give an input. We could talk about a particular topic in social media if you're interested. Things like that. So that's what we're gonna do. It's called Chit Chat. Sip and chat. 8 p.m. We're gonna do it on live. Hopefully, I'm gonna try and see if I could get the thing to work for me, so I could do the multi-screen. You guys want a piece of dumpling? It's all it is, guys. It's really just dough. It's just dough. I'm used to it because it's just dough and water combined together. It's called dumpling. If you ever been to Jamaica or know have any Jamaican friends, you know they always make dumpling. dumpling. Have a bite. Mm. Guys, I hope you can't hear my background because my mom is upstairs and she's so loud on the phone. I can hear every word she's saying. I'm hoping you guys not picking it up. So yeah, guys, it's so good. So I want to talk about today about being true to yourself. We need it. It's not being selfish, because you know how some people are self-centered, but this has nothing about being self-centered. This is about you putting yourself first and doing what's best for you. So a few friends and co-worker of mine, we were having a discussion, and then during the discussion we realized that all of us put everybody else before ourselves, our family, our kids, our friends in need, a church member in need, and we forget all about ourselves because we're too busy running around. So we have to start being true to ourselves, for either putting ourselves first or either putting our feelings first. And guess what? People said that we're not supposed to complain because nobody want to hear it. I understand that, because not a lot of people or everybody want to hear complain. But guess what? Instead of complaining, just don't do it. So this is what I say. Say if you're tired and your cousin called you and said, "Man, I'm in a ditch, but I need some stuff. Can you do it?" You would love to do it. You will say, "Oh yeah, let me go do it. That's my favorite cousin." But it comes a point where you're gonna say, "Cuz, I'm so sorry. I love you and everything, but I can't. I really and truly cannot." The cousin might be upset. They might be aggravated and everything, but you gotta understand that you putting a stop to that situation save you in the long run, because you have to think about yourself. Think about the time. Think about it as if, what if you get up out of your bed, go help the cousin in that situation, and on your way back home you end up in your own situation, and then you're gonna be like, "Oh man, I should have just stayed home. I should have never did this. I should have never did that." And now you're beating yourself up when you could have just said no from the beginning, but you don't want to. It's like you're a people pleaser. You know what I mean? We can't do that. Nuh-uh. No more. We're not allowed to. We're not allowed to be people pleaser anymore. That a part of being true to yourself. Because guess what? You gotta put yourself first. You gotta put your situation first. Because when the roles reverse and you're in that ditch and your cousin already told you no, what you gonna do? You're gonna have to get out of it some way or another, right? You're gonna have to sit there and say, "Man, what am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do?" Get out of it. You have to think about it, because a lot of people are self-centered, and then you're gonna be like, "Okay, should I call somebody else? What should I do?" Sometimes I understand it could be a life or death situation. That is completely different. Life or death situation is different. But if someone is just really always calling on you, counting on you, and for no reason at all, because they just don't want to, or just because they're lazy, you got to say no. You got to say no. You are a giving person. No matter what it is, at the end of the day, you're always giving, you're always doing. Me, I'm your friend, but I'm your hypocritical friend, because I'm going to know that I'm tired, and not that because I'm super tired, but I know you're tired because you're working 2 jobs, but I'm tired just because I'm lazy tired. And I'm going to say, "Oh, friend, I'm tired, but I know you're tired too, but you're closer to the store. Can you please stop and pick me up something and bring it to me?" I already know you're going to say yes, because that's your makeup. And I already played on you because I know you're good to how you are and things like that. So guess what? I just got my way. Yes, I'm tired, but you're tired than me. But I didn't even think about your tiredness because I'm selfish. You see what I mean? You have to stop that. You have to say, well, friend, just how you're tired, I am just as tired. And I'm sorry you might want this tonight. Unless you could go get it yourself, you're going to have to wait another day. Or you could get it on your way home tomorrow. Love you. I learned that the hard way. I learned that the hard way because I'm always giving, always giving. I could be on my last. I could be on my last, my face. I'm dead tired. I am dragging, and you call me because I know myself, and you call me and say, "Man, I know you're tired and you're on your way home, but please, on your way home, but please, can you stop at the store and get me something?" And guess what? You were home all day. You're home doing nothing all day. But yet still you're going to call me on my way home. Right? How crazy is that? Yeah. We got to stop that. Starting with me. We have to stop it. And if that friend is your true friend, they would understand. They would say, yeah, no problem. Go get some rest. If that friend end up turning and cursing you out, guess what? See ya. You just proved that you were never a friend. I'm a friend of convenience for you. That's not being true to me. No. No. And we gotta stop. And you gotta stop because I know I'm not the only one out there. I know for a fact there are plenty of people like me out there. Plenty. It could be a cousin, could be your favorite aunt, could be your own mother, your brother, your niece. It could be anyone. It could be anyone. People refuse to learn stuff because they know that you'll do it for them. People refuse to accept reality because they know that you'll always be there to save them. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. Because guess what? When you start saving that person, you're taking over that person's burden. Who's been true to whom, right? Because guess what? That person is living free and you're still stuck because you took on another responsibility you don't need to take on. Don't tell me I'm wrong. I know you guys are with me. Guys, I'm going to eat a foot. I'm going to see it again before I eat it. There's one missing right here. You ready? It's going in, guys. Oh, I guess it doesn't want to go in. And that's how you eat a chicken foot. Excuse me, guys. Bones. So back to what I was saying, guys. We have to be true to ourselves. We have to stop being people pleaser. We have to stop saying yes to everything. We got to say, I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't do it. And you know what? I don't know how many people are like this, but I tried it out. I'm always spilling stuff on me. You know how some people say, oh, I need friends. I need somebody to go out with. I can't go. I can't do this. I can't do that. Do you know that you have so much fun by yourself if you learn to appreciate yourself? I'm not saying you don't need people. I'm not saying you can't help people out. But you got to put yourself first. Do what you could do within your time. And that's pleasing to you. You could help out a person in need if you have the time. You could help out a person in need with cash-wise if you have the spare cash. Stop giving people your last. In these times or days, people are not thinking of you. They're thinking of themselves. So if you have $1 and somebody call you and say, man, I don't have any money. Can you give me $1? You would love to give them your $1. But guess what? If you give them your $1, you're out of money until you get paid while they just have your $1. You know what you could do? You say, okay, I have $1. I'm gonna go out and get something that we both could share. So then we have something. You see what I mean? Like, you don't have to be selfish. You could end up turning it around. Or if somebody call you and say, man, I need your help. Excuse me. I need your help. I need to get my daughter such and such, but I need this and I need that. You're gonna say, okay, this is what you do. Meet me halfway. I'll meet you there. I'll take your daughter, and you go home and do this. But then you come back. If you don't come back, I'm bringing her to you. Like, you have to set a limit. Learn to limit certain things. Like, don't be a pushover. Don't be a people pleaser. Don't let people walk all over you. And I'm speaking from experience because I learned that the hard way. I am too nice. People tell me all the time, but I was like, nah, they need help. If they didn't need help, they would ask. Guess what? When they don't need the help, they still ask. So yeah, I'm a pushover. Well, I was a pushover. Not anymore. So yeah, I learned it. So I'm telling it to you. I'm sorry if this video is long, guys, but I had to get it out. And it's there. This is for someone out there. It might not be you. It might be your friend. It might be somebody else you know. But I know there's at least more than one of me out there. I know that for a fact. Because we're too nice. We're pushovers. We're people pleaser. We gotta stop. I'm stopped. So now it's time for you to stop. It's time for you to stop. I'm gonna eat the rest of my soup now, guys. So good. Oh, guys, look, a whole foot so you can see it. This is the middle part that's missing. Yes, I'm giving you the finger. It's so funny. It's a chicken foot. You guys better not get skeeved out too, because if you eat pig feet, you could eat this. Last of the chicken. I'm all done, guys. Thanks for eating with me. And remember, put yourself first. Stop being a people pleaser and do the best you can for you. Help out when you can. Don't be selfish, but also remember, you come first. Because when you're tired and you're depleted, nobody's going to be there to help you. All right? Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.